Hi friends! Just wanted to pop in real quick to show you my most recent make. Well, one of them anyway. This is just a sweet little bandana that I made from the Jurassic Park yarn. Well, Jurassic World inspired yarn. That's the one that I did recently. And it's just an easy, quick, free pattern on Ravelry. And well, actually I think I used this YouTube video for it, which is what I used. I can't remember if it was a written pattern as well. It's at least a YouTube video. I will link that below here. So that's what I used, and it's just very easy. I don't know if you can see all that. Got this cute little picot edge around as well. Whoops, I'm tearing down my entire office here. It's really easy to make, fun, quick. I did it over, well, I guess a night and a half maybe of watching movies and stuff. Really love the color. And to match, I made earrings. I'm not sure if the camera can focus on that. Let me come closer. Can you see that? I just knitted. Oh, good heavens, work with me. There we go. I just knitted a pair of simple leaves, or at least I was going for leaves. Not sure if I actually succeeded, but yeah, I think it's kind of cute. And I got the silver hoops as well to attach it, because I'm sensitive to, well, I need it to be silver or gold, not to get a rash, which I don't want. So yeah, it's a cute little set for you. I didn't make a pattern for the leaves, but you know, just search for any type of small leaves that you can knit on Ravelry, an example, and you can use that. And I just added a little ring for the hook to go through. So yay, that's my outfit of the day, and my finished one of my finished projects for the week. You'll see some more in the upcoming weeks. It's been so hot. I don't. Can you tell? Can you see I'm a bit flustered? It's been incredibly hot here. It's been over 30 degrees, which to some of you is nothing. But the thing is, in Scandinavia, ACs are not standard. We don't have air conditioning usually in our houses or apartments. And I also live in an area where the humidity is so high. So it's been, I'm not gonna lie, July has been a pain. And I'm very glad it's over and then we're into August now. So yeah, but it's not too hot today. Today I think it's only like 20 degrees. It's perfect. But the humidity is way up there. So that's why I look kind of shiny. Yeah, just wanted to show you my make. Highly recommend. You know, I love this kind of small, fast projects in between the larger ones, because they're so satisfying. They're so satisfying. And also, that color. I'm so happy with how that turned out. So I am probably going to have to dye some more in this colorway coming up. Well, that's it for now. I'm going to go cool down, and I'll see you next week. Bye.